Welcome to Dillion Solutions, your ultimate resource and IT training. In the age of AI, everyone talks about technology, but very few truly understand software at its core. We use apps every day, yet most people don't know how software actually works, where it operates, or how deeply it runs every industry. Today, we demystify these systems. Our agenda covers the evolution of IT, software types, specialized domains, and building your career path. Let's start at the core. Software is the set of instructions that tells hardware what to do. Software translates intent into machine actions, coordinating hardware and data across the user interface and application layers. From embedded code in sensors to application software like mobile apps, every layer is critical for everyday device functionality. Across industries, software drives efficiency. In healthcare, it manages care, while in finance, it automates transactions and detects fraud. In the automotive and manufacturing sectors, it controls vital systems and drives robotics for industrial excellence. By 2030, 85% of all jobs will require software competence. This is why understanding these foundations is non-negotiable. We moved from legacy systems to modern platforms, but many don't know why this transformation happened or how modernization shapes today's digital world. Legacy systems provide stability, but their weaknesses, like obsolescence and high maintenance, often outweigh their strengths. Modernization offers huge opportunities for innovation, yet organizations must navigate security threats and compliance risks. Agility needs and cloud adoption are key drivers, allowing organizations to respond rapidly to evolving market demands. However, data migration and legacy integration challenges slow down 70% of digital initiatives globally. The rewards of modernization are significant, with companies seeing up to 30% revenue growth by using modern platforms. Now let's explore the actual software platforms that define our personal and professional lives. Windows is the standard for desktop productivity, while Linux powers the vast majority of the world's enterprise servers. Mobile dominance is split between Android and iOS, providing the rich app ecosystems we rely on every minute. Apps like WhatsApp and Microsoft Word power collaboration for billions, making them essential tools for daily workflows. Enterprise resource planning software is a cornerstone of business, with the global market reaching massive scales. The future is specialized. We're seeing software become more integrated into our physical and intelligence-driven world. From automotive units managing safety to industrial controllers orchestrating automation, software drives reliability and efficiency. Cloud infrastructure like AWS and AI like ChatGPT are transforming automation, but they require a balance with risk management. Structured data management via SQL and robust networks facilitate the trillion-dollar e-commerce platforms connecting us worldwide. For many fresh graduates and beginners, the IT field feels confusing and overwhelming, not because it's small, but because it's massive and poorly explained. That's why learning the foundations of software, industry usage, system evolution, and real-world workflows matters. Practical skills and mentorship are the bridge to excellence. Our training sets you on a clear path to success in the IT world. Learn by doing, grasp the core, and track the evolution to build an adaptable foundation for your modern career. Whether you have a degree or not, there is space for you in tech if you understand the systems, the structure, and the skills. Let's learn together, let's understand the industry, let's build real careers in ITs with clarity, confidence, and purpose. Subscribe to our channel for more professional training. Thank you for joining Dillion Solutions. See you in the next lesson.